So let's put on our stitches. I'm casting on only 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the first row I am going to do only knit. Whoops. So I'm only knitting the whole row. This is a very pretty shawl. It's like a half moon, but it's elongated. It's really pretty. So next row we're going to yarn over, put your needle on top of the yarn, over, and then knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. So now you have 10 stitches. So this is what's going to happen on every right side row. So what you do on every right side row is that you're going to yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together. And then you go until you have the last 4 stitches, and you slide, knit these 2 stitches together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And on the way back, what you're going to do is yarn over and knit all the way back, and you repeat these 2 rows. And I'll see you in a minute. So yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 stitches together, and then we knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 4 left. So slip, put your left hand needle in front and knit the 2 stitches together. And now yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. And see, you're going to start seeing your yarn overs, and it gives it a very nice edge. So the way back, you do your yarn over and knit back. So I'm going to have all the instructions written down, and you keep doing these 2 rows, the row where you add all your stitches, and the next row is yarn over and knit the whole row to the end, and that's it. And then at the end we're going to have something interesting, because we want to have a nice edge when we finish it. See, we want to have this thing here. So let me get this out. See, we want to have a yarn over, knit together, so it has a nice edge at the top. You know how the basic shawl is made, but we want to design our own. So you see how these bubbles show, and they look very cute, they look very nice. So at any point in your knit, whenever you choose, because you are the designer, you can introduce another stitch. So I decided to make a 3 stitch lace. So I am going to yarn over, knit 1, because we always start and end the same on the right side and on the wrong side. So on the right side we yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit these 2 stitches together, and then now I want to do a 3 lace stitch. So I'm going to knit another one just because I want to cause a little bit of a separation. And then you don't burden yourself on counting your stitches, even though this is a 3 stitch repeat. But see, it doesn't really matter how many stitches you have. So we're going to knit these 3 stitches through the back, and then do a yarn over this way, and you knit them together again. So there we have it. Let's do that again. So you pick up and knit these 3 stitches through the back, and then you yarn over and knit them again. And you keep going doing that until the end of the row, and I'll see you on the way back. So I'm at the end of the 3 lace stitch, and I need to count the 4 for the edge, and I see that I have 2. So I can't do much with those, so I'm just going to knit them, and then slide, slide, and put your needle in front of those, knit, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1. Okay, so on the way back, since I want to have this same edge at the bottom, I'm going to also knit. So we're going to yarn over and knit all the way back. So I have those 2, and then these are the stitches. Try to separate them. Okay, so that's it. Let me show you how this looks on the other side. You're going to be able to use the shawl on either side, but the actual right side is this one. And see how pretty that looks. So let me get this a little bit closer. So this is how it looks. See, so I like it very much. So I will come back and tell you what else I can make. So what I decided to do here is that I did the 3 stitch lace, and then I knitted back, and then I knitted on the right side, and then I knitted back, and now I did another row of the 3 stitch lace. So I think I'm just going to make, I don't know, maybe so much, and then do this design again. So you can, as you can see, you can do any stitch at any time you wish on your shawl, and so you have a very personalized one. So I'll see you in a bit.